Hello everyone, welcome again to Growing with the Gold. Today we're doing another check-in, this time on our giant pumpkins. Finally got some good enough weather, our plants are big enough and ready to go into their final resting places. Now a lot of times we would want to plant a couple plants. All you giant pumpkin folks at home, you know what I'm talking about. You'd probably put 2 or 3 in there and then cull down to your very best plant and very best fruit producer. We don't have enough extra of these glorious seeds that we got from Nick at California Pumpkins. So we're just going to get the best ones of each variety. We had some great propagation results on a couple, mediocre on some others, and not so good on one variety. We got 2 out of 10 here, we got 9 out of 10 over here, 8 out of 10 here, and 4 out of 10 here. So we're just going to choose the very best of each of these plants. We got some planting mix, we got some potting mix in these 400-gallon containers. So we'll have a lot of soil, big bed, so we can put a lot of fertilizer on here. We need to feed. So we're going to get these in with their initial crown jewels charge just from the native mix. All of our potting mix and planting mix is powered by our crown jewels fertilizers. It says so right on the bag. It's really a great way to get your plants started without having to add extra food, and then you can come back in a couple weeks and really start to push your fertilizer program. So we'll just get our best selections here, get them planted. We'll check in with you in a few. So this is just about perfect, exactly what we're looking for with these giant pumpkin roots. We didn't want them to get root bound. We just wanted them established enough to not be kind of choked down by their plant. Now these roots are rearing and ready to go to take over this entire giant 400-gallon pot full of planting mix. All right, so we've got these pumpkins in the ground. We're done for the day. Thanks for joining us on another Growing with the Gold to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening. We'll see you again next time.